Hi, what's up fam? This is your brother boy J-MILLA. I'm from Darwin, Northern Territory. I'm an Indigenous rapper here in Australia, and you are now watching Up In It, brought to you by Rolling Stone Australia and Tourism NT. I'm a proud tribe member of the Muck people, and we're from Litchfield National Park region, also out in Bamboo Creek and Bachelor. So the diversity in Litchfield National Park is amazing. We've got different types of places you can visit throughout the Litchfield region. My favorite would probably be Florence Falls and also Bewley Rockhole. Bewley Rockhole is a place where it's about 6 or 7 rock pools that go downhill, and during the wet season it floods, so you don't really enjoy a rock hole spot to kind of sit back with your family. But during the dry season, it's an amazing spot because there are open rock holes to swim in. We did a massive trip up from Alice Springs all the way up to Darwin. That was amazing because I've actually never been out into some places like Devil's Marbles, Mataranka Springs, even just places like Tennant Creek, small towns. And it was kind of crazy because people recognized who I was and wanted us to get some photos and stuff. So I was freaking out on how many people knew us along the way. We went to Kings Canyon as well. Wow, Kings Canyon, boy. That was amazing. I hear about Kings Canyon before, but I never actually visited it before. And it's just an amazing scene. The photos and the views that we got were amazing. Traveling throughout the Northern Territory without Wi-Fi and social media, it's a good way to switch off from your phone and your electronics because you're actually in tunnel vision on what's going on around you and you're really in the moment. And I get really inspired, especially on a travel like that. And I come up with different types of music to make and different types of songs and categories that it's kind of overwhelming because I don't know which one to work on or which one to start with. Yeah, having that time to switch off from especially social media and being stuck on your electronics is amazing, and you kind of appreciate what's in your backyard. You've got many things you can do in Darwin, and you've got beautiful places to visit, like you just drive an hour and a half out, you visit Litchfield, the country. It's free, you don't need to pay, and that's like your bloody wet and wild natural water park right there for you. You've also got lovely markets, so we call it the Mindle Beach markets, that happen every Thursday night throughout the dry season, and it's a lot cooler in that period too, so it's a beautiful place to visit. And there's many types of foods, different types of foods, from Asian to your traditional Aboriginal types of foods to fish and chips. And it's just a good environment and lovely people to be around as well. Everyone's so cruisy up in Darwin. We're just laid back. We're laid back people, I guess. That's where I was born and raised, and I think that's made an impact on me as a person as well. One of my most favorite gigs was Darwin Festival in 2020. It was a sold out show and I was on stage before Electric Fields. The atmosphere was amazing and I enjoyed every bit of it, and I was nothing but excited after the show, and the amount of love I got from the locals and the family that was definitely my best gig. I'm very privileged to come from such a beautiful part of the country, and I just want to let you guys know I'll see you soon, and thank you so much for having me. It's your bro J-MILLA.